Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson, the #1 educator in the asset recovery business. Today, guys, I'm gonna bring you with me to pick up a surplus funds check. Now, my office is located in Fort Myers, Florida, which is in Lee County, Florida. And we're picking up a tax deed surplus funds check, guys. I'm gonna pick up this check. I'm gonna tell you guys how much I made, how long it took, and most importantly, how you can do this business too. So come with me, join me on this journey, and I'll show you guys why this is the best business in the world. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna head over to the Justice Center. We have the tax deed department in here. So clerk of courts is located in here. We're about to go check it out. Hello. Hi, I am receiving a check from tax deed surplus. They told me to come here and show a valid ID.
For what? What are you here for?
Tax deed surplus check from the finance department.
Somebody called you and said it was ready?
Yes, ma'am. I received the email.
Okay, let me see.
Company name is Prestige Family Assets Group. I can give you the case number too if you need it.
That's okay. I'm just gonna ask what the
Tax deed. Okay.
tax deed for.
All right. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, the authorization form. All right. Thank you. How's your day been so far?
Good. Hello.
Hi. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
I need your signature there, please.
Yeah,
So
we definitely appreciate you. The online for Lee County is like the best. I do a lot of Dade County, Sarasota. Lee County is the most informative, and you know that's why we do this business, to help people out.
I'll let them know.
Okay.
So, thank
All right.
you.
You take care, man.
All right.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we went ahead and picked up this check, $11,697.84. We did charge them 30% for assisting them on this, so it wasn't a large claim. But hey, guys, for over $3,000 for 2 hours worth of work, it was definitely worth it. So now let's talk about the case, guys. This was actually an entity that owned a property. So that property was a piece of land in the county. A entity owned it. We initially did our research and located this lead from Excess Elite. So directly from the leading database side, we had that imported into our CRM, and then we have our blast automations. So upon doing the skip tracing on the entity, we ended up finding the property owner. And once we found the property owner, we marketed them. So we hit them with a text campaign where we sent a initial message, no response, follow-up message. They supplied their email. Once we received that email, we sent them over what I like to call the intro email, in which we break down the entire foreclosure process. So we're giving them the property address, we're giving them the sale date, we're showing them how much they owed on the property, what it sold for, and what the potential surplus is. Now in Lee County, they're nice enough to provide the notice of surplus funds letter online. So when we tied that proof attached with the state statute, they knew that this was legitimate. Now my call center, one of the inbound agents took this call, then the regional manager ended up closing, and then I stepped in, handled the paperwork, and we filed this. We did not need to use an attorney in this scenario. It was a smaller claim. It was on the tax deed side. So we simply filled out the paperwork, which, like I said, this was about 2 hours worth of work. We filled out the paperwork. We gathered the required documents. Since this was an entity, we did have to submit proof on the entity structure, and then also that the person that we're working with is able to be authorized on behalf of that company. We ended up submitting the claim within the first month of the property being foreclosed. In Florida, they do have a 120-day rule before the county even reviews. 120 days went by. Then after that, it took us about 4 weeks to receive payment. So it definitely took us some time to get paid. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme business, but it is a great business. The amount of work that I put into this claim, like I said, was 2 hours, and we ended up making a little over $3,000, so that was awesome. And then also, guys, the same process that it took for this small claim is the same process that it takes for larger claims. So this business is great to get into. You do not need any previous experience. You don't need a license. Guys, I'm not an attorney to do this. This is very simple. We identify properties that sell for more than what is owed. We confirm the surplus. We reach out to the previous owner and we help them file the claim. Now, helping them sometimes involves an attorney. Sometimes it involves probate. But in this scenario, it did not. And also, we helped an entity. So it's not always just the previous owners. Sometimes it's multiple owners. Sometimes it's a company. Sometimes it's heirs. There's so many different scenarios. But guys, this is a great industry to get into. I highly recommend it if you're interested in helping people out. This business is awesome, guys. So if you want to learn from somebody that is still actively doing the business, check the link in the description. You're going to get my course. Use the code TAKEACTION. You'll receive $100 off. I'm looking forward to helping you out.